Hello viewers. A lot of people have a bunch of questions and doubts about LPG connection. So today's video is all about how to get LPG connection. So the very first thing to get an LPG gas connection is contact your nearest gas distributor. So mine was Ajita Bharat Gas Agency, Ergon, Kerala. Every gas agencies have counters, that is for billing, and there is another section other than the counter sections, that is the enquiry section. Here is the place where you need to go and enquire all your doubts. And feel free to ask questions because they are here to help you. And the documents required for LPG connections are the passport size photos, Aadhaar cards, and the residential proof, that is like ration cards also. And if you are in rent, you can show the proof of the rent also. With all your required documents and copies, visit the gas agency again and give your documents to the counter section, and they will be entering your details in the computer, and after 2 days your SV will be generated and you will get the gas connection. And almost every gas agency conducts the domestic workshops once or twice in a year. Try to attend these kinds of classes because these are very good and gives awareness among us about LPG. And next time when you need a refill, you can book the cylinders using the IVRS booking number from your registered mobile number. And the number is 7718012345 or 7715012345. This number is applicable for BPCL customers only. And the gas cylinders will be delivered in your home, no matter how hard the situation is. Still don't have LPG connection? Don't worry. Visit the nearest gas agency and get a new LPG connection. Cook food, serve love.